Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of flimsy picture frames that fall apart at the slightest touch? I know I was until I discovered the upsimples 11x14 picture frame. This game changer is about to take your home decor to the next level. With its sturdy frame and high-definition cover, you can trust that your precious photos will be protected and displayed with crystal clarity. The double-sized design of this frame is perfect for holding 8x10 photos with a matte or 11x14 photos without one, giving you the flexibility to switch up your display style whenever you want. When you hear the satisfying click of the spring-type action as you remove the backing, you'll know that this frame means business, and the fact that it can be hung horizontally or vertically is just the icing on the cake. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that they love it, which is no surprise given its easy setup and durable construction. The protective packaging ensures that your frame arrives intact, so you don't have to worry about receiving a damaged product. I've used this frame to display some of my favorite memories, and the result is stunning. The sturdy build and classic design make it perfect for any room in your home or office. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift or a way to elevate your own space, the upsimples 11x14 picture frame is the perfect choice. It's easy to mount, and the result is a beautiful display that will leave you feeling happy and satisfied. So why wait? Get your upsimples 11x14 picture frame today, and start enjoying your favorite memories in a whole new way. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.